Hello everyone and welcome back to Technically Unsure, where I'm not really sure what I'm doing technically.
What am I doing?
So today in this video, we are going to do something different, something that I have never done on this channel, and that is an Android tablet. You might have seen me doing reverse engineering on Android apps. You might have seen me doing reverse engineering on malware, but just the background, I do reverse engineering Android or Windows applications for a living. That's my job. I'm an Android guy, okay? That's all I want to say. So I have Android tablets. I have a bunch of Samsung tablets. I have Android phones for my work and personal. So yeah, I like to have more. Sometimes I need. And more devices, it means that I can test more applications better, find abnormal behavior for certain apps in certain specific devices. That being said, so that what I want to say is when I saw this deal, so I don't know the deal, but this is the Bloatware MEGA 2 tablet. It's on sale on Amazon. This is like 12-inch screen and it comes with 12 plus 24 gigabyte RAM, and it comes with 256 gigabyte ROM, which is the storage, and 9000 milliampere hour battery, and 16 megapixel camera for the front, 8 for the back, doesn't matter. And it comes with UMS 9230E octa-core. So this part was the only thing that I wasn't really familiar with, but everything else seems decent and powerful. And on Amazon, as I said, this was like $300 for a 12-inch Android tablet, and on Aliexpress somehow it was $150. So I don't know what is the deal with that, but anyway, if everything works, it's a very good deal, because for 12-inch tablet with such spec, with that much RAM and storage, like Samsung devices, that's gonna be like 600, 800 or so. And what I'm gonna do, I'm going to check the pre-installed applications on this. So if there is anything abnormal or something that I don't like, I will let you guys know. I'm not going to recommend anything yet, but after reviewing it, if I recommend it, I should feel comfortable with it, right? So if I recommend something and then turns out to be problematic product, I don't like that. So let's take a look at it together. 256 gigabyte storage and 36 gigabyte RAM. That's impressive. I think, I assume, I hope, I want this thing to be very fast. Yeah, okay. So they ship also with this tempered glass to screen protect. That I don't think I will use for now. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Look at that. This is beautiful. Just the packaging, and it already comes with this cover and protection. This is awesome so far. Okay, let's keep going, not getting ahead of myself. So this is the tablet, and let's see what else comes in the box. So do you get the pen as well? Very nice. You get the pen. Okay, that's magnetic. And we get how to enter night light, and there is a manual, I assume. Okay, SIM card, and this is the wrong one, doesn't matter. I have my own, but I will just tell you, this is a 5 volt 3 amp, basically 9 volt 2 amp, 1.5 amp. Okay, I'm not gonna use this because we also want to see the power consumption and other stuff, so let me take that one as well. Okay, that's pretty much it so far. This is looking great. So before I start charging it, let's take a look at the I/O and stuff. So there is the USB-C port over here, a headphone jack, power button is over here, and the volume buttons, that's pretty center, and the speaker ports are right here, both of them. So let's turn this on and see how it goes. Okay, Bloatware, powered by Android. I just want to see the initial screen, and then I will go through setup. And by the way, it's supposed to come with Android 15. Okay, pretty standard stuff, and I really hope this is like kind of like stock Android and they don't have a bunch of custom apps added to it. Then they will get two very big thumbs up from me. So let me connect this to Wi-Fi, install the apps, install Wi-Fi, configure all that stuff, and then I will be right back.
A few moments later.
All right, so we are back and I have the updates, and let me share that with you. So I understand now why this device is cheap. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing really terribly wrong with it. I just want to say that I kind of understand what is is happening, okay? And I understand why it is cheap, okay? I'm recording the screen as well. Hopefully it won't have a lot of effect and won't crash or anything, but let me show you. So if we go to 3D Mark, I just did the slingshot extreme test, okay, as you can see here, and I'm recording on the screen as well, but just in case. So I got 1199, so 1200. But if you look at the comparison, we are here, okay? So if you compare that with the Google Pixel 8 Pro, let alone 9 or more modern devices, so this is the difference. If you go with OnePlus 12 or Xiaomi 14, you see this is all the scores from all other devices with this, I mean other people with this device and this device and this device and this device. We are always here. That's, I thought maybe that's just one test, okay? And here are my results. Yeah, I did another one which is wildlife and I got 560 in Vulkan. So this one is Vulkan, this one is OpenGL. So we tested everything. So Vulkan again, same thing, 560, and you see we are here. iPhone 15 is there, but don't just write it off just because of that. I will explain. So look at this. This is Antutu score as well. That's for CPU and GPU. You can see this is Mali G5757 and this is Unisoc T615, and that's the score. So you can compare this and you will see that again this is very low in general compared to other more modern devices that's out there. But here's the deal, okay? So if you want to do benchmark with your tablet and see the performance, and if you want to install some very heavy Android games and you care about the FPS in this setup, yes, okay, this is not for you. But for daily driver, like using this tablet, and this is the stylus, right? Open the drawing app, okay? So, you know, testing, okay? So writing, okay, that was terrible, but you get the idea. You can write and take notes, right? Stylus pen is okay. You can get your own if you don't like it. For swiping and stuff, it's great. I didn't like it for writing, just that. But for, you know, you see, for using it, this is perfect. And let's just say some light games, right? Like the games like kids play usually, Subway Surfer, right? I don't think your eyes will detect any difference, okay? So as you can see, so let's say your kids are playing with the tablet and just want to play some game like a Subway Surfer. Yeah, obviously they will not have a glitch or lag or notice any difference between this device or an $800 tablet, okay? So it will just do fine. And remember, I'm recording the screen as well, right, as I am doing this, okay? That's just one. The other thing I want to tell you is, like, let's say they want to watch videos, right? Okay, so this is what I found. This is a 1080p 60 FPS video, and as you can see, it's playing very smoothly with no issues. And remember, I'm recording the screen, okay, with absolutely no problem. No frames drop or anything. Oh, by the way, while we are here, let's also test the speaker. So here you can hear it. Okay, I don't know the copyright strike, whatever, but you get the idea. So here's the audio. Not bad, not bad. Honestly, it's not bad. So that's what I wanted to show you, that if you want to take notes, read emails, do web surfing, play videos, play some light gaming, absolutely, there will be no problem whatsoever. But if you want to play some heavy games, don't look at this. I tried to install it, kept waiting for download, it just didn't download. But if you want to install very heavy games, yes, you might have some issues. Another thing that I like about this device is actually this. Look at this. The Android was stock. There is absolutely nothing installed by them. Everything extra that you see here is just what I installed, except the WPS Office, okay? Ignore that. But everything else that you see here, that's like Asphalt and Tutu, you know, those things, yes, those I installed. Ignore, remove those. Geekbench I installed, but ignore those. Rest, everything was stock. That's all they had. I didn't uninstall anything. I didn't change anything. This is it, okay? And if we go to settings, I just want to walk you through the settings. If you go to About, you will see Mega 2, tablet storage 256, screen display size, you see 2000 by 1200, and the camera is 8 and 16. And there's also 2 SIM slots in there, SIM slot 1, SIM slot 2. IMEIs are there. RAM is, you see, 12 gigabyte plus 6. So now I figured out they are using the storage for the extra RAM, but yeah, its RAM is 12 gigabyte. It's not what I said earlier. Android version is 15, IP address and all that stuff. And one thing I really didn't enjoy that much about this was a little bit Wi-Fi speed. I mean, you see that it's doing fine, but you know, when you're doing some benchmarks and stuff with the Wi-Fi speed, let me show you. Okay, you see that? I don't know what's happening, but that's not supposed to happen. Yeah, this again happening again, you see? And I will show you. I don't know why it's happening. I had that problem. Okay, now upload is fine, but it's so short. You see, just happened. Okay, so upload is more real speed, but that's the download is that way. Let's do it again. Okay, now it's better, but you see what happens? So I don't know what is up with that, but I want to show you my phone that is on the exact same Wi-Fi network. It's right next to it. So look at this. Okay, so this is my personal phone. This is Pixel 9, and that's the 400 megabits per second. That's what I'm getting. Always that's been like that, and even more now at 416. Yeah, and you see it's download and upload both are same, but now it's kind of okay. Yeah, you see, you get the idea, right? So that's what I want to see, but always there is some issues with that download part. Like we can go and check that part out together, and I will show you. So if we go to the settings, okay, and if we go to the Wi-Fi. Okay, as you can see, this is the Wi-Fi type 5, and the transmit and download receive links are this. That's all I'm getting, but it still kind of drops. I don't know why that happens, and that's just what it is. I just wanted to show you WPA3. So yeah, that's my home network, the speeds I'm getting. But other than that, the Android being kind of stuck, right, is just awesome. Another thing I want to show you that I kind of didn't like was when you go to system and system updates and click on check for updates. Yeah, network connection failed, Java, whatever, you see. Sometimes it errors out, but then you try 2-3 times, it works. And sometimes it's just complaining about some Java certificate, but now it's fine. So yeah, that's the issue I wanted to show you. It just doesn't happen every time, but it happens. And Android 15, I enable developer options in general just to look around, but that's kind of pretty much it, what I wanted to show you. So long story short, it's a very cheap tablet. You get all this, and it comes with all the cover and this protection stuff, with also this tempered screen protect that you can put on there. And I showed you the benchmark scores. Everything installed perfectly and run perfectly, no problems. The only thing is, you know, a Play Store and Chrome and YouTube was all there. I didn't install that. And the camera is okay, but I don't know. Yeah, you see, it's fine. The quality, it's okay. Actually, I like it. You know what? You see, it's not really high resolution, but honestly, I don't know many people who take photos with their tablet, but yeah, it is what it is, right? So long story short, if you want to use this for your daily stuff, yes, absolutely go for it, and this will do the job, and you won't really have issues. But if you want something that will perform and you will get very high FPS in games, snappy, works super fast, and you want to do maybe, I don't know, like in the recent Pixel update, you can run Debian in your machine. I don't think you can do that type of stuff in this. I mean, you can, but it's gonna be super slow. That being said, absolutely killer tablet for kids. If you want to give it to kids, yeah, definitely they will be having fun enjoying it, and will never have any issues with that. But if you want to do heavy tasks, you will notice the lag, you will notice the slowness. And I generally took a quick look at the process list and things that are installed and things that are in there. I didn't see any obvious issues. Also, I was monitoring the IP address for the communications, again communicating with its own server for the updates and stuff. Didn't see anything unusual. Seems clean, seems seems nice, seems okay and fast enough to do your daily stuff. Yeah, so I just wanted to introduce you guys to this. I got my hands on this and heard about it. It's just very recently released, and I just wanted to show you guys about this as an option for, I think in Aliexpress, as I said, it's like 150 bucks. Somehow on the Amazon it's 300 bucks, but still it's a great tablet with good amount of accessories that comes with it, and performs good enough for a regular basic good tablet for web surfing and daily job and tasks, what you want to do. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any specific questions about this, and if you want me to try certain things on it. I didn't do a lot of tests with other devices or plugging things into it, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about it, and if you want me to do certain tests, and I will let you know the results. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.